Hello, as the title of this video will probably say, this is a Java 2D tile map based game that I built for a course I'm doing, called Game Programming. This was basically the final project I did for that course, so this video will probably be attached to this readme here for this source code, and I guess if you watch this on YouTube or something, I'd have a link to the GitHub in the description. This is basically all the source code for to run this game, and you could try it out for yourself if you'd like. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna basically show a demonstration of it. This is the main class. It's called Game Launcher. So this is basically what's being run. So we have an intro and we come to this menu. Well, this is basically a menu with key inputs. So if you hit enter, you'll start the game, and escape just closes this window. So we have some controls here: WASD to move, shift to run, space to attack, escape to pause. And the objective is simple. There's some enemies that you have to fight, and then these are what I call allies, and you have to save them. So let's hit enter. So game starts, WSD space, and then shift to move a bit faster. So yeah, when you go near to an ally, they just follow you. So wherever they are on the map, for example, this one here, you just have to get to them and basically take them back with you. There's a point in the map at the top right, which is basically the collection zone, or whatever you want to call it, but you basically just drop them off there to save them. This is our first enemy, so they basically have the same property that they follow you, but they also attack, so yeah. So if you can see what I did there, the strategy to like kill them without taking any damage is sort of the kite, which is you get near enough so that they chase you and then you run back, hit, something like that. And as you can see, I took no damage from fighting that one. Of course, if they get close enough, you'll start losing health, and as you can see, I have one kill. Something I can also show, I guess, is they can fall off the map. You can, everyone can fall off the map. Alright. Yeah, so as you can see, I still got the kill for that one. So that's another strategy you could try to do, make them run off the map and kill them that way. So we actually have two here. I'm just gonna beat this run so you can see what the end looks like. As you can see, I took some damage from those two, so didn't kite the best. Of course, when your life hits 0, you die. You have three lives. If you die 3 times, you'll lose. So I could change this to instead say 3 and then go to 2, then to 1. So that's how life is. So at the time of recording this, it won't be like that, but it might be in the future or when you download from the GitHub. So just keep that in mind. Things might change until then. So we have our third guild. That's 4 in total. As you can see, I took too much damage and died there. So when you die, the guilds, nothing happens to them. You can't attack them. I sort of kept it simple. Oh shit. I just solo. I wasn't paying attention, but well, I guess I could basically show what falling off looks like, which was that part. Slow. Anyway, like I was saying, the girls can't take any damage, but they can't fall off the map. If they fall off the map, they'll just restart where you spawn, where I just spawned at the top left. So you don't really get penalized for letting them die or anything. Well, besides the fact that you have to run all the way back to pick them up. actually need to be a bit careful here, because I don't want to lose on this run. I've already spent, I don't know how long I've been recording. Maybe like 5 minutes? I don't know. Alright, so it's just one more girl I need to pick up before I can rescue her. Okay. Last one is down here. So, it's about 3 hits to kill an enemy. And then, for you, it's a good bit, maybe like 5, 6, yeah, maybe more actually. Since it's a number, like, it keeps on decreasing while you're being hit, so, it takes a while. 250 is all the health, so, there we go. You win. Certain game music plays. You have options to escape, just close the game, and then menu, you get to see how much life you remain with, how much health you have, and how many you saved. So yeah, and how many deaths you had. And also you won. So when we hit menu, when we hit enter, we come back here to the menu. We'll just hit enter again. Oh, some lag. Okay, let's fix now. Yeah, so I'll just run off to show you what the game lose looks like. Yeah, so you lost whatever points you might have had. And same options, menu to enter to go back to menu, escape to exit, and different endgame music plays because you lost. So that is basically it. I don't know if there's anything else to really show except maybe the girl falling off, so I can do that. She kind of bugs out here a bit because her hitbox is a bit small. Okay, there we go. So yeah, as you can see, she just respawns and you can pick her back up. And that is basically it, I think. Yeah, that should be it. So escape just closes. Yeah, if you would like to know like how all of this was built and stuff, I could possibly do like some sort of walkthrough or tutorial on how I built to this point, because on the GitHub you can go back to all the commits and I guess you can see it like that, but I could do it over and sort of show a tutorial on how I built all of this. For instance, the where's the tile? This map. Yeah, so I used a program this called Tiled, and what you can do is take files like this and then use each of these. This is like a sprite sheet. So each number in this array will represent like one of these things, and then you can build, for instance, 172 is the black hole, is this. And you can generate this XML from that program, this one right here, and basically build your own maps. So the map I just played on, I can build a different one. These text files are used for an X and Y location to spawn an enemy or ally on the map. So yeah, you can just customize this as well. If you download this program, you can just change the values in each of these with X and Y. Make your own tile map, and you could have a different game. Well, not game, but like a different map with different spawns and stuff like that. You could also change these sound files and add your own if you want. For instance, all this is when an ally is saved. This plays. When you die, this plays. So if you just change this file but use the same name, it would work. Background music. Yeah, this is while you're playing. When you lose, when you win. For the intro and for the menu. This logo is what comes up at the start. Again, you could change all of this. This shows at the top left. But yeah. These are just icons, what's on the top left, and this is the font that I used. So the text that comes up. Um, these are the sprite sheets of the characters. This is the enemy, and then this is you. But anyway, yeah, this video is probably getting too long. Just let me know if you'd like something like that, and I could probably do it. But thanks for watching, and yeah, peace out.